Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse face with cleanser. Skin detection. Detect the recipient's skin. Remove the dust plug and activate the switch located on the handle. Utilize the handle to capture images of the forehead, lower eyelid, right cheek, nose wings, left cheek, and nose tip. Await the analysis results, and subsequently tailor a skincare treatment according to the obtained data. Apply the toner and export liquid. Dermabrasion. Recommended working time, 3 minutes. Recommended bottle from A, B, and C. Choose based on the individual skin conditions. Water flow setting. Set it based on the individual situation. Recommended suction intensity. Set it based on the individual situation. Press the applicator onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the applicator and then move to the next spot, following the routine as forehead, nose, and chin. Application on the cheek. Beginning at the chin, connect the applications on 2 to 3 spots in a line, repeating the process until you reach the temple. Repeat on the other side. Shovel. Recommended working time, 5 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended mode, default mode. Remove the protective cap of the applicator. Cleanse the face with a wet wipe while glide the applicator from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. For areas with deep blackheads or pimples, press the shovel on the blackhead to vibrate it out. Spray. Recommended working time, 5 minutes. Water flow setting. Set it based on the individual situation. Introduce the mixture of toner and serum in a ratio of 10 to 1 into the mini flask, and then attach it to the sprayer. Spray upward from the chin. Spray towards the hairline on the forehead. Cold. Recommended working time, 5 minutes. Recommended temperature, 3 degrees Celsius. Recommended mode, cold. Evenly apply serum to the face. Lift from the chin with the applicator. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline with the applicator. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. HR. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended mode, A. Evenly apply gel to the face. Lift from the chin with the applicator. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline with the applicator. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Ultrasound. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended mode, default mode. Evenly apply serum to the face. Remove the protective cap of the applicator. Lift from the chin with the applicator. Move the applicator in circles from the chin. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline with the applicator. Vibrator. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Evenly apply serum to the face. Remove the protective cap of the applicator. Lift from the chin with the applicator. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline with the applicator. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. You may customize the application of the above applicators based on the recipient's conditions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.